Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of weeks since the last video. Unfortunately I can't make them on a regular basis because I work away. But what we have today is a Master Padlock Lockout Tagout. Something a little bit different. Hardened plastic body, dead core, and it's the bitting on the key. Let's see if we can get this open. It's quite nice padlocks, these. Just light tension, good feedback. Just a little tension wrench, and we're just using a standard southward hook. These always give quite good feedback. Counter rotation now. Counter rotation again. And there we go. Dead core, so don't worry about the spring. There we have it. Master Lockout Tagout. Thanks for watching. More to come soon.